French learners always confuse ce, c'est, and say apostrophe. I'll be fixing that for you right quick. Use ce before a noun to mean this or that. Example, ce livre est bon. This book is good, or that book is good. Ce garçon parle français. This boy speaks French, or that boy speaks French. Use say for plural nouns. It always means these. Ces livres sont chers. Livre is in plural. So, ces livres sont chers. These books are expensive. Ces enfants parlent bien. These children speak well. Say apostrophe is just ce before a vowel or a silent H. Example, c'est facile. It is easy. C'est incroyable. It is unbelievable. Or this is unbelievable. This is easy. So there will be French pronunciation PDF on my bio, so go and check it out and subscribe. Thank you.